Okay, today class is about the n jobs and two missions. N jobs and two missions. To find out the n jobs and two missions with the help of using a Johnson algorithm, and this is the table having jobs, number of jobs, 1 to n jobs, and the mission. The A and B mission. These are the working hours of A1 to AN. B1 to BN. This is the working hours of each mission, A mission and B mission working hours. Some of the conditions to find out the job sequencing. Here we are examining the AIs and BIs for the I equal to 1 to 1, 2, 3, so on n, and find out the minimum of A and BA. To find out the minimum working hours of A case, A mission, A working hours and B working hours. These are the working hours. Okay, I want to show the example. And second point is, in this minimum AK for some I equal to K, do the K job the first of all. And if the minimum of BR for the sum I equal to R, do the R job for the last of all. Okay, that means we are placing the job either first or last, depending on these conditions. We are find out the job sequencing of optimal job sequencing of each mission. Okay, I will show the example. First of all, suppose this is an example. In this example, we have to find out the which is the minimum element. First of all, first case, which is the minimum element is here the jobs are there. Here the mission A and mission B, you have working hours. This is the working hours. The minimum working hour in A and B is 1 is there. 1. Look at the 1. The job is 3. That means working hour only 1 hour is A is working. That means job is 3. That means the smallest one is coming to the smallest working hours of particular job is placing first. That is the first point. Here I am explaining. If the minimum be AK for sum of I equal to K, do the job first. Do the kth job. That is what we are assuming. These are the kths, these are the BR jobs, and these are the AK jobs. Okay, kth job. That means we are identifying the smallest hours, working hours. That means we are placing the first in the job sequence. That is here. Here the 1 hour only working for the A mission A. That's why for the job 3 we are placing in job sequencing in placing in first. Okay, coming to the next condition, which is the smallest one. Okay, next we are cross out the jobs already assigned and repeat step 1 to step 3, arranging the jobs next to first and next to last until all the jobs has been assigned. After assigning the job, just we are crossing the particular job. Job 3 is already we have assigned. That means we are crossing this job. Okay. Next, which is the smallest one? Here we having 3. In mission B having 3 hours working hours. In mission A also 3 hours. In mission B also having 3 hours. When comparing jobs, that means AK equal to BR. Here working hours are equal. AK equal to BR. Going to the particular condition, what they explain. Okay. Here suppose the working hours are in same. That means the same values for each job is common. That means the condition for the same cases we are going to this condition. For not equal cases going these conditions, for equal cases going to these conditions. AK equal to BR, that means AK value is equal to the BK value, sorry BR value. AK value is equal to BR value. What we have doing? Process the kth job first, kth job first of all, and rth job in the last. Here kth job means here machine A is the kth job. That means we are placing the 2 is first of all. Next we are placing the 4 in the last box. Next we are placing the 4 in the last box. These are the 7 boxes we are placing for the job sequencing. How many boxes? 7 jobs are in there. These are the 7 boxes. Already we are assigning third job and second job and fourth job. Because 1 is the minimum working hour, the 3 we are crossing this job and placing this job here. And after that, in both the cases, 3 we are repeating same 3 is here also 3, here also 3. Going with the minimum cases, that means for the condition I have satisfied. The smallest job of AK is placing first, next BR is placing the last. That means 2 is placing first, fourth job is placing last. Next what is the smallest element? Just after that placing jobs, you are crossing that particular jobs. You are crossing the second job and crossing the fourth job also. Next, what is the next job? Smallest one, smallest value in machine A working hours. Here we are having 4. In machine A having working 4. And the same level having a is also having a 4 working hours. That means here in first job, in fifth job. Going to this particular condition, I think but the second condition, second condition. If the tie, that means in A we already seen, if the tie for minimum occurs among the AIs, select the job corresponding to the minimum of BIs and process it first of all. Comparing with BA elements, so A elements are common, A working hours are common. Then we are going with the BA working hours and process it first of all. Okay. Here we having, here in 4 is common, here also 4 is common. In comparing with B, in 4 working hours having 5, in here also in 6 is having. That means which is the smallest one? That means we are placing which one is therefore for checking with the machine B working hours, here 5 hours, here in 4, here is having 6 hours. Because in A machine, here 4 working hours are there, here also 4 working hours are there. Within the same machine, the 4 working hours are repeated. And going with the condition B, machine B having 5, here having 6. Which is the smallest one? He is the 5. Because, so that's why we are placing the first job in first case. Next, in the fifth job in the next case. After the first job, we are placing the fifth job. Okay. Next, we are crossing the jobs. First job we are crossing and fifth job also we are crossing. Therefore, how many jobs are we are assigned? 3, 2, 1. 1. Next, 5, 4. These 2 are left over. Okay. Here in 6th and 7th job. 6th and 7th job. Okay. After assigning, we are just crossing. In 6 and 7, we having machine B working hours 5 and 5. The same cases repeating BAs. In BA, what is the condition? In BA, what is the condition? If the tie for minimum occurs among the BAs, select the job corresponding to the minimum of AIs and proceed the last and go to the next step. Here processing it in the last and go to the next step. Here In 5, go through this 5. This is having 7 working hours, and go through this 5 having 8 working hours. Which is the smallest one? 7 is the smallest one. That means in 7 having 6 job. 6 job you are placing last. 6 job you are placing last. 6 job you are placing last. Next, 7th job you are placing after that. Because as per condition, we are identifying the minimum of years, placing the job in the last box. After that, go to the next step. The same we are following. We are placing the job, 6th job in the last case, and next we are going to the next step, is placing the 7th job. Okay, as per conditions, as per the given conditions, we are placing the job sequencing. We find out the, as per the Johnson's algorithm, we are placing the, therefore after that we are crossing the both jobs. Okay, thank you my dear students.